Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Uh, Today we will see bird names with pictures. Before starting this video, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, kindly subscribe my channel so you will get notified every day and you will learn something new about English pronunciation and English reading every day. So let's get started. Birds names with pictures. Woodpecker. 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 Pigeon. 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 Peacock. 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 Sparrow. 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 Dove. Dove. Raven. 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 Cuckoo. 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 Rooster. Rooster. Quail. Quail. Parrot. Parrot. Cormorant. Cormorant. Hen. Owl. Hornbill. 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 Vulture. 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 Duck. Turkey. Turkey. Guineafowl. Guineafowl. Guinea fowl. Ostrich. Ostrich. Nightingale. Nigstingale. Nightingale. Flamingo. Flamingo. Hawk. Hawk. Swallow. Swallow. Crow. Crow. Eagle. Eagle. Partridge. 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 Seagull. Seagull. Magpie. Magpie. Hummingbird. Hummingbird. Swan. Swan. Penguin. 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 Goose. Goose. Goldfinch. Goldfinch. Kingfisher. Kingfisher. Jay. Jay. Pelican. Pelican. Canary. Canary. Token. Token. Crane. Crane. Starling. Starling. Weaver bird. Weaver bird. Stork. Stork. Wagtail. Wagtail. Tailor bird. Tailor bird. Robin. Robin. Myna, M-Y-N-A, Myna. Macaw, M-A-C-A-W, Macaw. Kestrel, K-E-S-T-R-E-L, Kestrel. Peasant, P-H-E-A-S-A-N-T, Peasant. Skylark, S-K-Y-L-A-R-K, Skylark. Hodzin, H-O-A-T-Z-I-N, Hodzin. Goldfinch, 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 G-O-L-D-F-I-N-C-H, G-O-L-D-F-I-N-C-H. So we have seen today many birds names. So if you like this video, kindly hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, kindly subscribe my channel so you will get to know many vocabularies from my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.